Yes, this is a mystery unboxing because you don't know what it is. I do, and we're going to be doing an unboxing to see exactly what it is. Now, if you want to see the full review of the product that's inside, why don't you click on the bell for notifications, subscribe, and give in this video the thumbs up. Let's do the unboxing and find out exactly what's inside this. And hopefully, what I think it is, I'm hoping it is correct, because I've been looking forward to doing this. I've got to be careful because it might be delicate and it's quite expensive. In fact, it's probably one of the biggest products that I've done a review on for quite some time. And it was sent to me. Looking forward to this. You guess what it is yet? No? Shame. Let's turn her over. Oh, it's got a handle. Even better. You sussed it yet? No? Right, let me show you. Ready, steady, go! There's a NAS, Network Attached Storage, and guess who it's from? I'm not going to tell you. You need to subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give, well, you don't have to give me the thumbs up, but I would appreciate it. Wait, just when you think it's all over, another box turned up. Yes, we have a second box. Let's have a look and see if it gives you a bit more of a clue exactly what NAS this is. More boxes. I know, it's mental, isn't it? Right, let's just open one of them. Hopefully it will tell you, or give you, like I said, a bit more of a clue exactly what's in here. Hopefully, anyway. Move that one out of the way. Slide her out. Any ideas? No clue on now, is there? Do you want to see it? Here we go. Da, da, da. It's from New Green. I'm not sure exactly what's in there, but if you're interested, keep watching. Subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give this video the thumbs up. Woo! Looking forward to doing the proper unboxing, baby.